ready to dive into a world of engaging stories and your own writing platform. Let's get your Medium account set up in under 2 minutes. First things first, head over to Medium.com. You'll see a prominent Get Started or Sign Up button. A circumflex euros. Click that, and we'll begin. Medium offers a few easy ways to sign up. You can connect with your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a super quick process. Or, if you prefer, you can create an account using your email address. If you choose email, simply enter your preferred email address in the provided field and click Continue. You'll then receive a confirmation email to verify your address. Just open that email and click the link, and you're almost there. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. This is your chance to personalize your presence on Medium. Start by entering your name, which is what other users will see. Next, choose a unique username. This will be part of your profile URL, and how people can tag you. Medium will let you know if your chosen username is available. Now, let's add a profile picture. Click the profile picture icon, usually a placeholder image, and select a photo from your computer or device. This helps make your profile more recognizable and inviting. Once you've entered your name, username, and added a picture, click the Save or Continue button to finalize your profile setup. And just like that, you've created your Medium account. You're now free to explore the vast library of articles, follow your favorite writers, and even begin crafting your own stories. Welcome to the Medium community.